Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, ZAPTEST.AI. What is gray box testing? Gray box testing is a form of testing that combines white box testing and black box testing using a partial understanding of the underlying design and the way that the system is implemented. This combination means that the tester knows some of what is happening in the background without fully knowing the code, which provides more insight into the potential causes of issues in the software when they arise. Completing gray box testing is the responsibility of testers, with a quality assurance team working independently of the development team on the project. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.